Was he 22 or 42?
42.
Isaiah was 22 years old when he became king. 22.
Right?
But you said 42.
Yeah.
Was he 22 or 42?
It was 42.
In one book it says he was 22 when he ruled for the 1 year. And the other book it says he was 42 when he ruled for that same 1 year. So was he 22 or 42?
42.
But this says 22, so this is a mistake then.
No, it's not a mistake. That's not.
All right.
You dodging his questions.
Huh?
Yeah, we got it.
I'm dodging? He's dodging questions, right?
Not a,
all right, you're dodging questions. All right, listen.
That's not a.
How old are you? How old are you?
36 years old.
36. So if I said me and you met here and you were 36, and he said you were 26,
Right.
one of them has to be wrong. Because he only ruled 1 year. So was he 22 when he ruled or 42 when he ruled for the 1 year?
Beginning 22 to end 42.
Okay, now let me check your math. If you ruled for 1 year and you began your rule at 22 years of age, when does your rule end? 23.
Right.
If you began ruling at 42 for 1 year, when does it end?